Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 3D planes objective type questions, level 1 model questions. Question number 17. If the areas of triangles formed by a plane with the positive x comma y comma z comma x axis respectively are 12 comma 9 comma 6 square units respectively, then the equation of the plane is. Here the four options are given. Let x intercept equal to a, y intercept equal to b, z intercept equal to c. Here the area of the triangle formed by xy plane. In xy plane the formula is half mod ab. Here the positive x comma y comma z comma x is given. Then of ab equal to 12. First one 12. AB equal to 2 into 12 24. This is one relation. Of AB equal to 12, AB equal to 24. Next, in YZ plane, of BC equal to 9. BC equal to 2 into 9, 18. BC equal to 18. Next, area in ZX plane of CA equal to 6. CA equal to 2 into 6 to 12. Here AB equal to 24, BC equal to 18, CA equal to 12. Here to find the equation of the plane, first to find A, x intercept, y intercept B and z intercept C. Here A square equal to AB into CA. AB into CA by BC. Here BC get cancelled, A into A square. A square equal to AB into CA by BC. AB equal to 24 into CA equal to 12, BC 18. Here 2 6 2 9s. Next 3 2 3 3 3 1s 3 8. 8 into 2 16. A square equal to 16. A is equal to 4. Here positive x axis. A equal to, in the given question, positive axis. A equal to 4. Next, to find B value, B square equal to AB into BC. AB into BC. B into B square by AC. By CA or AC. AA get cancelled, CC get cancelled. Here AB equal to 24. AB equal to 24. And BC equal to 18. AC equal to 12. 12 into 12, 2 into 18, 36. B square equal to 36, B is equal to 6. Next to find C square. C square equal to BC into CA. BC into CA by AB. Here the BC value equal to 18. BC value is equal to 18. CA value equal to 12 by AB 24. 12 ones to 12 2. 2 ones to 2 9. C square 9. C is equal to 3. Here x intercept A is equal to 4. y intercept b is equal to 6, z intercept c is equal to 3. In intercept form, equation of plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Here a equal to 4, x by 4 plus b equal to 6, y by 6, c equal to 3, z by 3 equal to 1. X by 4 plus y by 6 plus z by 3 equal to 1. Option 1 is correct. Question number 18. If the planes x plus 2y plus kz equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 2z plus 3 equal to 0 are at right angles, then the value of k is. Here the four options are given. Here given equation of planes x plus 2y plus kz equal to 0. This is equation 1. Here from equation 1, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to k. Next plane equation 2x plus y minus 2z plus 3 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Here from equation 2, the equation of equation 2, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 1, c2 is equal to minus 4. Sorry, c2 equal to minus 2. Here in this question, the planes are perpendicular or right angle. Given planes are perpendicular. Given planes are perpendicular. If the planes are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. This is the formula. 1 into 2, a1 a2, 2. 2 into 1, 2. K into minus 2, minus 2k equal to 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 2k equal to 4. 2 1 so 2 2. K equal to 2. Here k equal to 2, fourth option. This is the correct answer. Question number 19. The angle between the planes 2x plus y plus z equal to 3, comma x minus y plus 2z equal to 5 is. Here the four options are given. First equation of plane 2x plus y plus z equal to 3. In this plane equation, a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to 1. Second plane equation, x minus y plus 2z equal to 5. This is the equation 2. Here a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 equal to 2. Let theta is the angle between the two planes. Cos theta equal to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is the formula. a1 a2, 2 into 1, 2 modulus of 2, b1 b2, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, c1 c2, 1 into 2, 2 by root of a1 square, 2 square 4, b1 square 1 plus c1 square 1, a2 square 1, b2 square minus 1 whole square plus 1. Next c2 square, c2 is equal to 2 square 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus 1 3. Modulus of 3 is 3. Cos theta equal to 3. Here 4 plus 1 plus 1, root 6. Here also 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, root 6. Root 6 root 6 6. 3 by 6, 3 1 so 3 2. Cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Then theta equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. That is in radians pi by 3. Theta equal to pi by 3. This is the fourth option is correct. Question number 20. If the planes 2x plus 3y minus z plus 5 equal to 0 x plus 2y minus kz plus 7 equal to 0 are perpendicular, then k equal to, here the four options are given. Here the equation of plane 2x plus 3y minus z plus 5 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 1. Second plane equation x plus 2y minus kz plus 7 equal to 0. X plus 2y minus kz plus 7 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Here a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to minus k. Here given planes are perpendicular. Given planes are perpendicular. Here a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. a1 a2 2 into 1 2, b1 b2 3 into 2 6, c1 c2 c1 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to minus k, minus minus plus k, 2 plus 6 8, k is equal to 8 plus k equal to 0, k equal to minus 8. This is the answer. Here the fourth option is correct.